Do you own a website? Or maybe you are struggling on how to get ranked your website or your YouTube video. If so, you need to watch until the end of this video. Hello and welcome to Backlink Machine version 3 review and exclusive bonuses. My name is Herbert Flores from IamHerbertFlores.com. Okay, so before I will review this new product, so first let me give you some idea about Backlink. If you are not familiar with Backlink or SEO, how it works, so Backlink is a link from one website to another. High quality backlinks can help to increase a site's ranking, position, and visibility in search engine results. If you have a website or video you want to rank or you want to see it on Google, you need backlinks. Here's a sample diagram on how backlink works. Site A is a website wherein it has an external link pointing to site B. Then site B will be your website. Okay, has a backlink from site A. So I will show you an example of my website that has a backlink. If we search on Google, okay, about my other website, the Enhance My Ads, you search you can search it on Google, then it will show some result, right? Okay, so my website is enhancemyads.com. So because I put some articles and also videos about my website, and this is the keyword, okay, enhance my ads. So it will show some result on the Google search engine. Okay, we can try this findlocal.com. So findglobal.com is a local directory wherein they put some information about my website. So findlocal.com is the site A on our diagram that I show it to you, right? So this is the site A wherein my website is the site B. It has an external link, okay, pointing to my website. So if we click this link, it will goes directly on my website. So other example. So here's an article on MediaWiki. As you can see at the end of this article, so this is my keyword, my lead gen secret harness review. If we click this hyperlink, it will goes to my blog site. So that is the backlink, okay? It pointing through the website, okay? Okay, so let's continue on our review about Backlink Machine version 3. What is Backlink Machine version 3? Backlink Machine is a WordPress plugin that can build backlinks to all your posts with the push of a button. Can create backlinks from a network of over 10,000 sites. It's easy to use. It has new features added on version 3. What I like with this new version, it can show a domain authority, plus the domain stats, and some of the top backlinks and top sites linking to you. It shows you all 404 broken links so you can fix them. It's automatically build internal links within your site. It has also a rank checker to see your site's ranking in any country. It shows on-page SEO info for every post and page. It gives you related keyword ideas to improve your SEO. So this is the sales page of Backlink Machine. Okay, as you can see, so this product is created by Ankur Shukla. It's a well-known product creator. Most of his products are software, okay, that can help you to rank your website and getting more leads. So as you can see on this sales page, so you can install it in just one click, okay? So you can also install it on unlimited website if you get the multi-site license. There's a lot of customer use this plugin. So you can get this product for only $14.95. So this is the early bird price. What I like with this product, you can get 100% money back after 30 days if you are not satisfied with this product, so you can request for a refund. So here's the quick demo of Backlink Machine version 3. Okay, so I'm here now inside my WordPress website. So all you need is to add the plugin on this plugin session. So you can add new plugin. Then once you install this plugin, you will see this backlink machine 3 on the lower part of your menu. Okay, so you can check add backlinks, you can check all your posts, you can check the logs that you created, then the domain stats and the 404 errors, and also the internal links, and also the rank checker, and also these settings. Okay, so if you need some help, so you can click this help section. So let's go on to add backlinks. As you can see on your screen, okay, there's a URL. So this is my website, then this is the extension. Okay, so you can add a URL, or you can empty this, then you can add some keyword. So let's go to Insta Ranker, then let's click on get keyword ideas, or you can check keywords. Insta Ranker. Okay, so you can check all these keywords, then you can use them, then you can use selected keywords. Then after that, you can select the number of backlinks you want. So you can create 100 backlinks up to 300. Okay, then you can select what type of backlinks you want. You can use mixed platforms, social network profiles, and then the category. So example, internet marketing. Then you can click the get backlinks. So after that, you can wait within 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so once you do that, after 48 hours, you can visit these backlinks again, and you can check the logs. Then you can check all the posts on your blog. Let's go again. So let's go back to backlinks machine 3, then posts. Okay, so you can optimize now your blog post. Okay, so you can enter the target keyword. Okay, so it must be, you must have at least SEO score at least 80%. So right now, as you can see, okay, I just installed this today. That's why I didn't yet optimize my blog post. So I can now optimize my blog post. Okay, as you can see, so I can add some header 2 and header 3. Okay, I can also check some of the parameters that I need to enhance. Okay, so that the SEO score will improve. Okay, and it will rank on the search engine. Okay, then the rank checker. So let's go here. So let's search my name, Herbert Flores. Let's see the top results. As you can see, my website is on the top 40, and you can learn a lot more below on this video. Okay, so you can check the link so that you can check all the details of my review. So how does backlink machine help you? Can do automation, can build backlinks automatically to a new post published on your WordPress site. At a push button, you can build 50 backlinks to a new post. Backlink machine can do that in just one click, as you can see on my sample, right? So all the links deliver within 24 to 48 hours. It's that simple. So you can get backlinks from a network of over 10,000 websites of different types, and these backlinks come from all those sites. They are medium quality links and range from PR5 to PR0. So you can earn passive income if you get the agency license or one of the one-time offer. Okay, so you can install backlink machine on your clients and charge them in any amount you want. Okay, and many more. So I highly recommend to get the pro license. So why should you buy through me? So you can get some exclusive bonuses. So bonus number 1, you can get the perfect backlink strategy for 2020. So bonus number 2, so you can attend on the live webinar. You can learn the strategy to make $10,000 per month as an affiliate using SEO. And the bonus number 3, you can get the white label rights bonus to the Photo Finder software. You can rebrand it and you can resell it. Okay, unlimited copies. 100% you can keep the profit. And bonus number 4, you can get my video ads app software. It has a value of $97 and many more bonuses, okay? If you buy it today, and you can get my exclusive bonuses with Backlink Machine. Here's what to do next. All you need is to click the link under this video and your bonuses can be accessed inside your customer portal on JVZoo after you purchase. So that's all. So I hope you learn on this video. So grab it now and see you at the inside.